Hey guys, welcome back to day 9 of Nailmas. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this super cute little cacti succulent like Christmas manicure that was inspired by a phone wallpaper that I found on Pinterest that I will link in the description box below so you guys can grab it if you want, from a very talented blogger. But yeah, that is what I'm showing you today. So first off, I have started with Zoya's Kirtridge as my pink base, but you can use whatever pink that you fancy or have on hand. And you just want to build that up so you have full coverage. On this one, I think it was like 2 to 3 coats depending on how thick or thin I did my coats. But then after that, and it's all dry, as you can see, I am adding a pot. So on the different nails, the different pots have different colors, but on the one that I'm showing you today is red, and all of the details are going to be done in acrylic paint. I just find acrylic paint easier to work with. I know I've never done like a full-on video about why I do that, but if that is something you guys want to know, I might just have to put that on the list for a fun video for the new year, because like I feel like up until the new year, we're all about the holidays. So after I do that, I just kind of want to square away the edges and make sure that it looks like a pot. And then I'm going to let that dry. And once that is dry, it is time to go in with a light green, and I'm going to start building my cacti. And as you can see from the inspiration and the shot that I showed you of all my nails earlier, each cacti or like plant in general is going to be different. So this one is kind of the regular rounded one. I don't know the actual names of different cacti. I know like the Christmas cactus, and that's on a different nail, but I don't know this one. So if you guys do and you want to have some fun with plant names in the comments, let's do that, because it might be fun to learn that. I'm more of a palm tree girl, but the cacti are super fun. I just don't know their names. So as you can see, I'm just continuing on with the green. I'm kind of taking them up in a no real pattern. I just want to have it kind of sporadically on my nails so it looks more natural and real and not like super planned. After the green is dried, I want to go in with some white acrylic paint and just put some like little asterisks or stars to give the cacti some texture and just to kind of bring it all together. I feel like it just adds and takes it to another level. So you don't have to be super precise, and if you don't feel like you can do little X's, just do little dots, because that's going to help you build texture as well, and it just makes for a fun manicure. Now after that, I want to go in and decorate it for Christmas. So I'm just using my smallest dotting tool and some red acrylic paint, the same one that I used for the pot actually, and I'm just going to dot on some ornaments here and there. And then on top of those, I'm just going to put a little gold line, so it's kind of like the metal piece that is holding it onto the cacti, because it adds a little metallic-y shimmer to my nail, and why not have that? And after that is all done, I decided I want to go ahead and add a little something extra to this design that's different from the inspiration, and I want to decorate the pots. So for this one, I used polka dots. Another one, I used stripes and kind of made it look like a candy cane, but really whatever you want to do is up to you. After everything is dry, then you want to top it with your favorite top coat. Here I did use a mattifying one because I felt like that would just look better on camera. Granted, shiny is going to look great in real life. So you can do either one, and here is my final look with that one nail and the others that, of course, there will be closer up pictures of on the blog whenever I do my weekly wrap-up post for Nailmas week 1. I don't know how we're already here. But anyway, here is your final look. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing these nails come together. I really enjoyed wearing them. They were fun, different, kind of a quirky take on a Christmas manicure as well, and super happy. I haven't worn a pink nail polish in a while, so this was super fun. Anywho, that is all for today. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching, and I will see you back here tomorrow for day 10. Bye!